believe that.
You're doing great. You're doing a great job.
Don't stop. Do not stop.
We are black people and we shouldn't have to feel like this. Have to feel like this. Have to feel like this. We should have to protest because y'all are treating us wrong. Y'all are treating us wrong. Y'all are treating us wrong. We do this because we need to. We need to have rights. Have rights. I've been born and raised in jungle. I've been born and raised in jungle. And I never felt this way till now. And I guess that I'm wrong. And I guess that I'm wrong. Our fathers and mothers are